Hi there guys, this is Tracy here and welcome to our channel Toy Broadway. So today we're going to be taking a look at a JCB tipper truck, and this is a JCB with lights and sounds, and as you can see the Minion boys are very excited here and they're going to be checking it out with me. So here we go, let's see what it's all about, shall we? It sort of vibrates and the purple minion's going mad here. Oh dear, we're having a fun time here, everything's falling over. So that's our JCB then guys, complete with lights and sounds. Do take care, don't forget to subscribe and come back again soon. And if you let me know in the comments below any videos that you would like the Minion boys to join in on, so any toys that you particularly like currently and you'd like the Minion boys to be featured and to play with the toys, I'd love to check out your comments, and if I can I will try to find the toys and also do a review with the Minions. So take care, subscribe, share with your friends on Google+, and I'll see you again real soon.